finished this double width panel, and I need to fan fold it. And since I just recently visited Zona Tiller and saw how she does her fan folding vertically, I thought I'd set up a rod and rings and use a similar system. So this goes out to Zona Tiller. Thank you for the tip. I've got this set up so it can handle a panel that's about 140 inches long. And once they're hanging, I'm removing the pins that marked the back of each fold. That's easiest to do, I think, at the table. Putting those pins in, and then that way I can pull taut and get the nice back fold. So much easier to do as one person when they're hanging than on the table with the friction of the table. There we go. Put the staples from the inside so that the little staple ends don't get caught on the fabric. And I'll let them hang like this until the designer's ready for pickup.